Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain Python program to display some of the factors of a given number. Program to display some of the factors of a given number. First of all, we have to accept one number. For accepting one number in a Python, we use input function. Input, enter any number. Enter any number displayed on monitor. Whatever you entered, the value received by input function in string format. String format to integer format we have to convert. For that we use int function. Int. Converted value we have to store in a one variable. For example, a. Suppose assume entered value is 5, that is stored in a. The 5 factors we have to find out. After that we have to calculate the sum and we have to display on monitor. That is our task. First of all, how to find out factor of a given number? Say 1 to given number, we have to do modulo division operation. With that, whether it is factor or not, we can find out. If the remainder comes 0, that is a factor. If the remainder is other than 0, it is not a factor. See how to perform operation. See, entered value 5, 1 to 5. I am performing modulo division operation. See, 1 5 ja 5, then remainder 0. So 1 is a factor of 5. Next, 2 2 ja 4, then remainder 1. So 2 is not a factor of 5. 3 3 1 ja 3, remainder 2. So 3 is not a factor of 5. 4 1 ja 4, remainder 1. 4 is not a factor of 5. 5 1 ja 5, remainder 0. So 5 is a factor of 5. If remainder 0 comes, it is a factor. If remainder is other than 0, it is not a factor. So 1 is a factor of 5, 5 is a factor of 5. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors of 5. 1 plus 5. Result 6. This is we have to display on monitor. Now 1 to given number. So we are required one loop. I equal to 1, while I less than or equal to a up to given number. I equal to I plus 1. In short form, I plus equal to 1. This meaning also I equal to I plus 1. This loop iterated 1 to given number. Now we have to find out factor. If a percentile I, then remainder comes. If the remainder is equal to 0, it is a factor. Then we have to add to some variable. So sum equal to 0. sum equal to 0, we have to add to sum equal to sum plus I. If it is factor, then add it to sum. After termination of while loop, we have to print sum. Now file, save, run module, enter any number, suppose 5. Sum of the factors is 6. Suppose once again I'll execute, run module, suppose 8. Sum of the factors is 15. Like this, any number factors added, displayed. For getting more information on Python, you visit my blog Python by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com.